In today's video, we're going to share with you 3 decor ideas for your bathroom in 2019. Gone are the days of nasty looking bathroom decor just like this. We've compiled together 3 of the most attractive modern designs that people will be using to decorate their bathrooms in 2019. Number 1 is tile effect decorative panels. This beautiful decor idea for 2019 looks almost identical to tiles, but there is a difference because these don't have any of the negative points that tiles have. There's a reason that thousands of people are moving away from tiles. They're expensive, high labour costs, stains on the grouting, and black mould, to name a few. But with decorative panels, they're up to 70% cheaper than tiles, small labour costs, easy to install, and no mould or grouting. Number 2 is sparkle finish wall panels. These sparkly panels are all the rage now. They add that bit of bling to your bathroom, and you're probably going to find that your partner or wife will be asking to go and look at some very soon. The good news for you is they're cheap. These panels connect easily to your wall as well via tongue and groove technology. Number 3, chrome strip cladding. This design started becoming very popular this year, so we expect to see it exploding in popularity in 2019. It's also available in a huge selection of finishes. And what makes it so attractive to customers and fitters alike is not just its looks, but also the benefits it comes with. You could fit a small to medium-sized bathroom for the price of a meal out at a local restaurant. It's easy to install with tongue and groove technology, and you'll get no mould develop on its surface. If any of these designs appeal to you, then we will add a link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe for more home decor and DIY videos. See you all next week.